Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an app using Thunkable. To begin, create a free Thunkable account, which is your first step into app development. Once logged in, you'll encounter the user-friendly interface. Familiarize yourself with the two primary tabs: the Design tab, where you visually arrange your app's elements using a simple drag-and-drop method, and the Blocks tab, where you'll define your app's functionality and logic. This setup makes app creation accessible to everyone. Now let's focus on the visual aspect of your app. In the Design tab, you can effortlessly drag and drop various components, such as buttons, text labels, and images, onto your app screen. Each component has customizable properties, allowing you to adjust its appearance, including text, color, and dimensions. Utilize layout containers to organize your elements neatly, ensuring a professional and user-friendly interface. With your design in place, it's time to bring your app to life in the Blocks tab. Here, you'll connect event blocks like a button click to action blocks, such as navigating to another screen or displaying a message. Implement control blocks for advanced logic, allowing your app to make decisions or repeat tasks. This visual programming approach simplifies complex coding, making it easy to build powerful features. Before sharing, thoroughly test your app using the Thunkable Live Companion app on your mobile device. This allows for real-time interaction and debugging. If you encounter any issues, review your block logic and component settings to identify and fix errors. Once satisfied, you can publish your app to major app stores or share it directly with others, making your creation accessible to a wider audience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.